Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Hafury GT20. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I am only starting from the simplest device. Just switch off and switch on the Bluetooth connection to restart it, and you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated Power Mode. How to activate Power Mode in your device? Just look for this information in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices but it's still not visible for your phone, go to the settings, swipe down to the system and expand the advanced. Go to the reset options, tap on the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and tap on the reset settings. Tap on the reset settings again, then look for the device on the Bluetooth list. After that you can also try to update your system. How to do it? Just open the settings and tap on the above phone and choose the wireless update. If you have any updates, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.